Chobe eating by herself?
Make it the rice again.
Wow!
See?
Wow! Who is also eating by himself? Who is that?
Get the rice again.
Get rice again, Chobs.
Rice again.
Why you're not using the fork? Use the fork to push. Yeah. Yeah. And then,
Put your mouth.
very good, Chobe. Very good, ah. Later.
Later pa.
How about this one? How about this one? Can I see? Can I see? Why only rice? No ulam.